Hi, I'm Owen from JC12. Today I'll be experimenting about the baking soda and vinegar balloon. Are you just not skilled enough in life to blow a balloon? Well, fear no more, since chemistry has always been the solution. The materials required for the experiment will be the following: a small bottle, some baking soda, a match for later use, a balloon, a spoon, some vinegar, and a funnel. First up, we're gonna open up the bottle and place a funnel on top of it. And then we're gonna fill up about half the bottle with vinegar. Now we're gonna stretch out the balloon onto the funnel that we used earlier. But make sure to clean the funnel with soap so that there won't be any reactions beforehand. Moving on, I've separated about 2 tablespoons worth of baking soda into a separate cup, and now we're just gonna pour all of it into the funnel so that everything gets into the balloon. Next, we're going to combine the baking soda filled balloon along with the bottle that was filled with vinegar. But if the balloon doesn't stick onto the bottle, I'll recommend tightening it with a rubber band so that the balloon doesn't fly away during the experiment. And when they react together, this is what happens. So as you can see from the reaction just now, when the baking soda and the vinegar reacted, an immediate reaction could be seen where foam started to form in the bottle and gas started to fill up the balloon, so then it started inflating. From the equation above, we could tell that the foam form was a mixture of sodium acetate and water, and the gas that filled up the balloon was carbon dioxide gas. So now to prove the equation just now, we're gonna test for carbon dioxide gas, which will be done by lighting up a match and putting it against the carbon dioxide filled balloon. And as you can see, the match was extinguished by the carbon dioxide gas, and hence it proves the equation right. Alright then, thank you for watching my video, and I hope that this video could be beneficial for you.